stick puppet learns to confidence. Hello everyone, my name is Bella. Today, I want to tell you about a time when I learned to believe in myself. Bella looks nervous. One day, our teacher announced a class talent show. Everyone was excited, but not me. I thought, what if I make mistakes? What if people laugh at me? In the middle, Bella looks down sadly. My friend Mia noticed I was worried. Bella, why do you look sad? I'm afraid to join the talent show. I'm not as talented as everyone else. No, that's not true. Everyone has special talent, Bella. The important thing is to try. But what if I fail? If you fail, never try. You never know what you can do. Bella thinks for a moment. Maybe Mia was right. So I practiced every day after school. At first, I made many mistakes. Bella asked frustrated. Oops, not again. But I keep practicing and improving. Bella smiled proudly. Finally, the day of the talent show arrived. I was nervous, but I remember Mia's advice. I took a deep breath and performed in front of everyone. Bella, Bella pretends to perform and then bows. When I finished, the audience clapped. Great job, Bella, the audience said. I was so happy. I realized that confidence doesn't mean you're never scared. It means being brave enough to try. Bella faces the audience. So remember, friends, everyone, believe in yourself, do your best, and never be afraid to try new things. Thank you for watching, everyone. The end.